So we are going to talk about Git and GitHub in this video. So what is Git? What is GitHub? Why it is important? What exactly we need to know about Git and GitHub, right? So all those things we'll try to understand in this video. So GitHub is and Git is very, very important for all developers. Those are working on big projects and many people are working. So it is very, very important that a developer should know how to work on a Git and how that code base can be uploaded on a GitHub.
Git is a version control system. It's a tool that helps to track changes in the code. So when are you going to work in a big company or on a big project? Many developers are going to work together and everyone is going to bring lots of changes. So it's very, very important to know what changes have been brought into the code base. And if there is a need to go back to a particular code base, you should be able to go back. So version control is very important to maintain that history and to understand so that everyone is aware what kind of changes has been brought in into the code base. Okay, so this Git is a very popular tool. It's the most popular in the world. Most of the companies, most of the people are using this tool. It is absolutely free and open source, and it is fast and scalable. Basically, fast and scalable means that whether you are going to work on a smaller project or a big project, it is very good tool to use. Okay, so this is about Git. Let's move to the GitHub. So GitHub is basically once you are developing a code onto your laptop or a PC or a local machine, it is absolutely necessary that you're going to maintain it into a repository that is called GitHub. So GitHub is basically a repository where many developers can store their code base using Git. So it is basically Git and GitHub are tightly coupled together. So if you want to use GitHub, you will have to use Git as a tool, and GitHub is a project repository. Okay. So repository means that whenever you want to retrieve your code, you can retrieve from GitHub also.